what I'm gonna do today is I am gonna make orange chicken in 20 minutes in my microwave pressure cooker. So I know I've showed this to you guys before. This is our pressure cooker. That's right, you stick it in the microwave and it comes with top and a bottom. It also comes with a seal in the lid. And here, this is our pressure indicator, this yellow pressure indicator. So when it's pressurized, this will be up. And then this is our pressure relief. It'll relieve pressure from that little thing here. So it'll pucker up like lips when it's relieving pressure. This is our locking latch to keep our lid closed. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with making our sauce. And it's super easy. So it calls for 1 cup of barbecue sauce. So I just got an original barbecue sauce. No like honey barbecue or anything, just a regular barbecue sauce. And so we're gonna put 1 cup of barbecue sauce in here. So let me see. Okay, so that's 1 cup. And then it also calls for 1 cup of marmalade, orange marmalade. So let me open up this. And I go to Walmart. I buy their brand because it is cheaper. So this one calls for 1 cup. Let me get my spatula so I can scoop out the marmalade. So 1 cup of orange marmalade. Okay. So that's 1 cup of that. And then we're gonna add in half a cup of orange juice. So I got this right here, just half a cup of orange juice. Okay, so the recipe calls for orange juice or chicken broth. And I figure, well, it's orange chicken. Let's just stick with the theme here. So half a cup of orange juice. Okay, and then it calls for 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And, of course my husband put the soy sauce on the table. And he didn't put it back. Okay, so let's see how good my hands is. I'll put 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. There you go. And that is it. And then it calls for 3 to 4 pieces of chicken breast. So what I did was I used 4 because my son eats a lot now. So I want to make sure when I come home from my Tupperware rally tonight, I actually have dinner myself. So now all we're going to do, it's easier with the whisk. I'm just going to whisk it instead of using this. Okay, so let's just whisk it all together. Okay, so how many ingredients is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients plus the chicken is 5. Isn't that awesome? And like I said, this will be done in 20 minutes in the microwave. So here's my chicken breast. So just dump that in there. Like I said, that was 4 pieces that I cut up and cubed. And then I'm just going to pour this sauce all over the chicken. So this is, you can probably see it when I pour it in. There we go. So that's it. Okay, and I'm just going to mix it up to make sure that all the chicken gets covered. Yum, yum, yum. And you can also cook in the pressure cooker. I've done frozen chicken in this, believe it or not, and it comes out perfect. So this is semi-frozen. I like to cut my chicken when it's partially frozen since it's easier to cut in cubes or even just to slice. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll bring the camera up so you guys can see what it looks like. Awesome. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna lock on the cover, and on this cover there's an arrow here, and there's an arrow also on this handle here. So all you're gonna do is just match it up and close the lid. After you match it up, close the lid and lock it. And we're gonna stick this in the microwave for 20 minutes. So it says 17 to 22 minutes. I'll do in the middle. I'll do 20 minutes, and then what we'll do is when it's done, I will come back. Hi Tracy, look forward to seeing you tonight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. When it's done in 20 minutes, I will come back on and show you the finished product. While it's cooking, I'm gonna go jump in the shower and get ready for my rally. So that's the great part of cooking in the pressure cooker and the microwave. You don't have to stand over a stove and make sure it doesn't burn. Throw everything in the pressure cooker, throw it in the microwave, and I can be on my way getting ready for whatever I'm doing. So like tonight, I'll be getting ready for my rally. So I will be back in 20 minutes, just before I have to leave, and I will show you the finished product. So let me pop this in the microwave, 20 minutes. I'll be back, guys. Okay, I'm back. So it's been actually more than 20 minutes because we have to let this depressurize. And so when I first took it out of the microwave, the yellow tab was up and steam was coming out of this silicone pressure relief here. So now I'm gonna open it up. I haven't opened it up yet. So let me open it up. And make sure every time you open it up, you open it away from you, because a lot of steam does come out of this. See? Okay, so let me mix this around. Oh, it looks good. It smells really good too. Okay, so I will show you what it looks like. Let me bring the camera up. And that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna take one out because I need to taste it before I leave to go to my rally. So my son is lucky, he'll be home having all of this to himself. So this is the chicken. And like I said, this was chicken breast. So I just need to show you how soft it is. It is fork tender, you see that? Look at that. 20 minutes is all it took. And like I said, in that 20 minutes, I showered, I brushed my teeth, kind of fixed my hair. I did the dishes, because remember I was throwing my dishes in my sink. So I did my dishes. Hi, Lucy. Hey, Chris. Gonna miss you tonight. But so I did my dishes. I fed my dog. And I did all of that. And I got ready, see? In 20 minutes while this was cooking. So maybe 30 because I had to let this depressurize. It takes about 8 minutes to do that. So this is it. And oh my gosh. I gotta tell you, this is really good. So I don't normally use chicken breast. I normally buy chicken thighs. But I figure, well, I'm gonna tell you, this is really good. I figure, well, that's what the recipe calls for. Chicken breast is normally, it turns out dry, but this is actually really good. But I think I like chicken thighs better. But I'm trying to eat a little healthier. But I gotta say, this is really good. So, oh my gosh, this is really good. If you're interested in purchasing our Tupperware microwave pressure cooker, contact your local consultant today or go to www.twwahine.com.